Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by enabling Chrome's experimental dark option so pages can invert colors reliably. Open Chrome, //flags, and locate Auto Dark Mode for web contents. Choose Enabled from the drop-down and click Relaunch. This activates multiple heuristics Chrome uses to force dark styles. Once done, many sites will render in dark tones automatically, though results vary by site. Make sure to relaunch fully, closing the last Chrome window, so the flag takes effect across all open tabs. Next, refine appearance and fallbacks to handle sites the flag mishandles. You can apply a browser theme for UI, but install a trusted dark site extension like Dark Reader to control page inversion, brightness, and contrast. Once installed, open the extension settings and set global parameters, then add exceptions for sites that break. This two-layer approach, flag plus extension, gives you better control and fewer visual glitches. If a page looks off, toggle the extension for that site to diagnose. To finish, test a variety of sites and tweak extension sliders until colors look natural. Clearing cache can resolve lingering style conflicts. If a particular page still breaks, disable the flag or extension temporarily to confirm the cause, then re-enable and add that URL to the extension whitelist or custom CSS rules. One key troubleshooting tip: if layout or readability is ruined, turn off the forced dark mode for that site and file feedback. Many issues stem.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.